Giraffe and KashKick both pay users for completing online tasks. But they don't measure earnings the same way. So which pays more? Depends on whether you want game-based rewards or offer-based cash payouts. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually generates rewards, what controls your earning speed, and which one tends to pay more depending on how you use it. Giraffe pays you in points for playing mobile games and completing in-game goals. You install games, reach milestones, and slowly convert those points into rewards. Earnings depend on how many game offers are available and how long each task takes. KashKick works differently. It pays you cash for completing offers like surveys, app trials, and sign-up tasks. Each task has a fixed reward shown up front, so you know exactly what you'll get before starting. Giraffe is more passive. You don't spend money, and you just grind game tasks over time. The trade-off is that rewards are usually tied to longer play sessions and slower progression depending on offer availability. KashKick is more direct. You complete higher-paying tasks like surveys or app installs, and the payout structure is more transparent because you see cash rewards before you begin each task. In terms of earning speed, KashKick usually feels faster because some offers take less time to complete compared to long in-game progression tasks in Giraffe. But availability of high-paying offers can vary depending on your region and profile. Giraffe is better if you prefer simple gameplay without signing up for external offers or surveys. It runs more like a background grind where you just play games and collect points. KashKick is better if you want more control over your earnings and don't mind completing surveys, trials, or promotional tasks to reach payout goals faster. Another key difference is withdrawal style. Giraffe rewards are tied to point thresholds, while KashKick uses cash balances that accumulate per completed task, which can feel more straightforward for many users. Risk is also different. Giraffe doesn't require spending money or entering paid trials, while KashKick sometimes includes offers that involve subscriptions or trial conditions, depending on what you choose. Quick summary. Giraffe pays through game-based point grinding with slower but simple progression. KashKick pays through task-based cash offers with faster but more involved earning options. If you want low-effort gameplay, Giraffe is simpler. If you want faster cash-style payouts with more tasks, KashKick usually pays more per completed action. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison guides like this.